Hello? Hello? Foursome, of course.
Foursome?
Hi. What about you guys? This is too short. It's either like this angle or boobs.
Hello, YouTube!
On a fucking platform. I don't know where to put.
Okay, someone's gonna make some. It's gonna become a YouTube video later, I already know.
Oops. Maybe.
I made curry with my soy boyfriend. See that?
Yeah, we saw her. Look at me. Nice feet. That's right. I am going to cook and he's gonna play with the cat, I guess. Mostly. Is she tired? She's tired.
Wait.
No.
Well, my work is done then.
You exhausted the poor kitty. Oh no. Look at her belly, Chaz healing. Oh, no. Oh yeah, when I got vaxxed, they gave me all of these. These are expensive. They're like, hey, you want some rapid tests? I was like, okay.
They're like $30 each in the store.
Wow. Just get vaxxed. You get them for free. Easy. After this, we're gonna play Nintendo Switch. Or not. I just have 2 out at all times because I play with myself.
Huh?
Show old cat. Miss is probably under the table. Bingo! Hi, Miss! Miss, say hello to chat. Okay, she just looks confused. Well then. Okay, welcome to Yabbe Cooking Show. Where Yabbe, that's me, I'm Yabbe.com. Going to cook my world famous red curry chili.
Yeah, says you know we can't actually see the cooking.
Yeah. So far I did this. It's just garlic. Smell it.
Pungent.
Smells garlicky.
Yep.
Next step is
My breath ready. No, Vitamix is not.
Lemon.
It's a mixer.
This is lemongrass.
You're allowed to be on this table.
No, she isn't.
Hey, you rascal!
But she does not respect my authority at all.
Authority.
Oh my god, I went into 4 different shops today looking for a squirt water gun or like a bottle. Honestly. They don't have it. I couldn't find one.
No.
I'm looking for a gun. So I can shoot her when she's on the table.
Wow.
But I can't find one.
I want to try and make her walk from my shoulder to yours.
She's gonna scratch me.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ah.
You did this. Got a fucking face full of ass. Not the fun kind. Sorry for not streaming yesterday, by the way. I had 3 nightmares in a row in the same night, and they were all super vivid to the point where I was like freaked out the entire day. I was like, if I stream right now, I'm just gonna be grumpy and out of it. I was like, you know what? Time to ditch. And it was a good decision. And I played a lot of Animal Crossing instead. Yeah, usually I have very, very like vivid dreams that do sometimes like fuck me up throughout the day, even if they're not bad. But 3 nightmares in the same night, that shit had me fucked up. One of them, a man tried to break into my apartment. I couldn't walk out in the hallway for like the entire day because I was too scared to look outside the window. And then this guy shows up did not ring my doorbell, but just banged on my door.
Yeah.
And I was in here, so I was like, startled as fuck. Il y a un imposteur parmi nous. Funny. Alright. It smells spicy.
Smell it.
Alright, that was step 1. Now, we have to marinate for 24 hours. So dinner will be served tomorrow. Stop!
The prank.
I will, actually, I think I would do an Amber Turd on you if you cover my hands.
Well, that's fine. We're at your place, so you
Yeah,
shit in
I
your own
have to shit in my own bed. I'd shit on your side of the bed, though. That's something. Oh, Lord. Happy.
You still don't know if I've met him in real life or not? You know, I've met him. There's a picture out there somewhere. I think honestly think it's the only picture in existence. When we pre-partied
With Linus?
with Linus, yeah, in the hotel room.
Yeah. That was totally forcing.
It was you in the costume, wasn't it?
I think you and Linus had like a collective.
So what's the picture then? That's our.
Yeah, well, pictures. Oh, so you doubt my medium, but a picture, that's solid proof. Okay, dude. Ever heard of Photoshop?
There.
I think
There
you
we
had a collective psycho episode with Linus, and you had like hallucinations. You probably were just watching Foursome stream, and then you guys were like, "It's like he's in the room with us."
Jesus. So that meme didn't exist back then in 2016 or whatever. It's just the latest thing. You know, it's the latest thing. This thing will probably, honestly, hopefully fade. Once upon a time, every time someone saw me, they would just tell me how I've been known.
That's terrible. This is better.
And then, what was the other thing? There was another thing as well.
I hear your voice in my head when you say no. The soy boy voice.
You've been known.
And my friend is autistic, and he wanted me to.
Oh no, I'm not talking about that video though. I'm talking about.
But that's what I'm thinking about.
No, every streamer
How can I
has a
not?
thing
Yeah.
that people like. The cheap thing that people go on.
Oh, I'm the girl that hates Miskit. That's mine.
Is it? Probably
Yeah.
depends on who's watching. But like, there's usually a thing that some of these folks do, like with it. You know?
Yeah. Oh, I'm an angry drunk or something bullshit. But those two go hand in hand, to be honest. Would you let me sleep with Forza?
Like one of those celebrity one-offs.
Yeah. But you could watch, I guess.
Then yes. So this is a red curry?
Yes. Because red chili.
Because I thought you usually make yellow.
Yeah, well, it doesn't look very red always. And I usually add more spice in the end, that makes it more look red.
But is this the same recipe as you normally do?
Yes.
Hi. Yes, I added you because you're a girl and a gamer. 'Tis an awesome thing to see. Couple of things. Number 1, I'm Brian. Number 2, don't get this wrong, but I'm not your usual guy. If anything, I'll be the one in the kitchen. =D.
Wasn't I making you a sandwich?
No, I don't think so. That's probably a different one.
I have like a sandwich.
No, I don't think Brian mentions a sandwich. Unless he follows up or something.
I can't believe she didn't answer.
Unbelievable.
What a bitch.
Dude, so there's this guy on Twitter
Okay.
who replied to like an old sponsored tweet of mine.
Okay.
Like, let's say it was Raid Shadow Legends, I don't think it was, but and he was like, "Oh my god, what a great game, I'm gonna check it out, thank you." And then he replied to like another, like Final Fantasy, like, "Wow, I love this game, cool sponsor, thanks." And then
You're buying bots?
and then yeah, so he's replied to like, if I would tweet something within like 10 seconds, he would reply with something really positive and encouraging, like "Have fun going live today." So I thought it was like like a nice, happy bot that someone set up. I replied one time. I said, "Are you a bot?" And they didn't reply. And I looked, and like their Twitter history was all just like typing encouraging stuff to like streamers and stuff going live.
Unsponsored or everything?
No, everything. And then today I tweet, "I'm not going to stream. I'm going here. Blah blah blah." And the guy replies, the same account says something like, "Nope." They said, "We don't care. No one watches your stream anyway," or something like really like just rude. And so I went back to his profile and I looked, and every single tweet, all of a sudden, was really mean. He's replying to like S-Fan's tweets like, "Nobody watches your streams," telling like Asmongold how he's washed up.
Jeez.
Every single tweet is like toxic as fuck. And I got so confused. I started going through his tweets, and it was just, he just snapped. One day he just snapped.
Hate streamers now.
Yeah, and he went from typing just really nice, encouraging words to just completely roasting the shit out of. And I still don't know if it's a person or a robot or a bot account, but I think it's a bot account. But it's so bizarre. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's like machine learning, and it picked up, and it just absorbed all the negativity on the internet. I don't know. If you guys want to go check it out, he's called like Plant Inspector.
They made him
on Twitter.
It looks done. It smells so nice in here, chat. I'm gonna taste this to make sure everything is correct. Just a little bit of the soup. The fragrances. That's gonna drip. Saved. That's very good. I nailed it. It's not very spicy. Add more spice.
You put a good amount of salt in this. You know I like my salt.
I didn't salt it at all.
What the heck?
It's coming from other ingredients. Is it good? Is it spicy enough?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find out right now. Initially, it's not very spicy.
Yeah, I don't think it is very spicy. Sometimes the red
it's not very
chilies I
spicy.
buy here, they're kind of lackluster.
It's very tasty though. I would like a tiny amount of salt.
Just because I said I didn't put any salt?
No, just because I like salt.
Oh. It's good. I like it. Okay, goodbye.